and hello my students, everyone. Today I'm really excited on this wintry cold morning in Lucknow. This is my first harvest of potato and broad beans. I am panting because I'm excited, and this is, just see, this is the vine of a broad bean, and see how potatoes are harvested. This is a potato plant, okay, and what I have just now harvested is from this absolutely best out of waste it has been. Just see, a broken bucket, and really excited. Okay, now today's double harvesting. Just see, green and the potato. I'll be a little more patient in the next of the remaining harvest because it should be a little larger. Now I will show you this. This is how potatoes from the roots. This is the root, the stem, and the leaves. So where do the potatoes grow? Under the soil. So have you all understood? This is under the soil. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Really excited. Bye.